Weather pattern is kind of setting in here until late May. The only rain in the forecast, at least for the next, I would say, 7 days, is isolated, and it's on 2 days. One will be a couple very isolated showers tomorrow as this little cold upper low kind of spins through the Great Lakes, and as our clouds bubble up tomorrow, we may spit out a few sprinkles or an isolated shower. Otherwise, it is totally clear all the way to the west coast. We may have a cold front come through Saturday with an isolated thunder shower, but by and large, the moisture will get tied up near the Gulf Coast, and all the areas that were wet, all the ponded fields will certainly dry out in a big way here over the next week or two. But in the meantime, enjoy the nice evening underway. We're going to drop into the 50s certainly by 11 o'clock, and we're headed for an overnight low of 48 Lafayette and Frankfort, 49 Logansport, and 51 Rochester. But 47 at Attica. I went a little warmer in the north because there will be a few more lingering clouds in our northern counties, which will act as a blanket. It's going to keep it a little bit warmer there. Tomorrow, clouds bubbling up in the heating of the day, an isolated shower, sprinkler too. 66 Rochester, 68 Monticello, and 69 Lafayette. A 71 at Pence and Pine Village with a pretty brisk northwest wind. And Thursday looks good. A lot of sun, a few passing clouds. Mid to upper 60s in our northeast, but 71 Lafayette, 72 at Attica as the nice weather rolls on. On Futurecast tonight, again, a few clouds around, especially in our northern counties. Tomorrow, clouds really bubbling up, an isolated shower or two, but we clear out tomorrow night and it gets cool. We're going to drop about 40 to about 43 for an overnight low by Thursday morning, but there is your Thursday with 71. Windy and warmer Friday. The wind will turn to the southwest ahead of that cold front. That'll bring an isolated thunder shower or two Saturday. Not a big deal. 81. Cooler Sunday and Monday, but still not bad in the upper 60s to right around 70. But there will be a heat wave really developing rapidly out here in the northern Rockies and also the northern plains. In fact, look at some of the data tonight. Parts of central and southern Canada, Alberta, Manitoba, those areas could be around 90. As we get towards next week, and that heat will eventually begin to overspread the area. It will warm up very late next week, and certainly as we get into later May. And this is going to be the pattern as we get into late May. Hot, humid, and eventually some of these storms will start to affect the area as we get later on in the month. 7-day forecast. There's your 69 tomorrow, an isolated shower or two. 71 Thursday after a 41, kind of cold in the morning. 80 on Friday, 81 Saturday. Rain chances pretty minimal over the next 7 days. And then up to 75 Tuesday. That's the beginning of a nice big warm up on the way. And on the blog right now, we've got the outlook up to early June that I've been working on for the past couple of days, so you can get an idea of how long that heat may hang on.
We'll enjoy the next few beautiful days.
It looks good.